On the ninth day of Navratri, Mother Divine takes the form of Siddhidatri. Siddhi means fulfillment or perfection, and Datri means giver or awarder. The grace of Devi Siddhidatri can put an end to the greediness and help to control and satisfy the desires of her devotees. According to Devi Purana, Lord Shiva attained all the siddhis by worshipping goddess Mahashakti. Because of her blessings, Shiva's half body became that of the Supreme Mother, which bagged him the name Ardhanarishwara. Devi Siddhidatri is represented draped in a red sari with a golden complexion. She is depicted with 4 arms and sitting on a pink lotus flower. She holds a mace in her upper right hand and a chakra in her lower hand. She holds a lotus and a white conch in her upper and lower left hands, respectively, and rides a lion. Around the time when the universe was just a massive void completely full of darkness, there was no indication of the world anywhere. But then, a ray of divine light, which is ever existing, spread everywhere, illuminating each and every nook of the void. This sea of light was formless. Suddenly it started taking a definite size and finally looked like a divine lady who was none other than goddess Mahashakti herself. The supreme goddess came forth and gave birth to the trinity of gods Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. She advised the 3 lords to contemplate, to understand their roles of performing their duties for the world, acting on the words of goddess Mahashakti. The Trimurti sat on the bank of an ocean and performed penance for many years. The pleased goddess appeared before them in the form of Siddhidatri. She bestowed upon them their wives. She created Lakshmi, Saraswati and Parvati, gave them to Vishnu, Brahma and Shiva respectively. Goddess Siddhidatri entrusted Brahma to take up the role as the creator of worlds, Vishnu with the role of preserving the creation and its creatures, and Shiva with the role of destroying the worlds when it is time. She tells them that their powers are in the form of their respective wives who will help them perform their tasks. The goddess assured them that she will also provide to them divine miraculous powers which will also help them carry out their duties. Saying this, she bestowed to them 8 supernatural powers in which they were named Anima, means the power to reduce the size of an atom. Mahima means the power to become enormous in size. Garima, the power to become very heavy in weight. Lagima, the power to become very light in weight. Prapti, the power to acquire anything at will at any time. Prakambya, the power to do anything you desire from flying to walking on water. Ishatva, power over all the elements of creation. Vashishtva, power to control all the natural forces and power over life and death. Apart from the 8 supreme siddhis that goddess Siddhidatri had granted Trimurti, she is believed to have granted them 9 treasures and 10 other kinds of supernatural powers. The 2 parts, man and woman, created devas and devis, daityas, danavas, asuras, gandharvas, yakshas, apsara, bhutas, heavenly beings, mythically creatures, plants, aquatic, terrestrial and aerial animals, nagas and garudas, etc. And many more species of the world were born and thus originated from them. The creation of the entire world was now fully complete, full of innumerable stars, galaxies, as well as constellations. The solar system was complete with the 9 planets. On Earth, from landmass was created, surrounded by such vast oceans, lakes, streams, rivers, and other bodies of water. All types of florals and fauna had originated and were given their proper habitations. The 14 worlds were created and constructed all together, giving the above mentioned creatures places of residence to stay in, as to which they all called home. Offering your earnest prayers to Devi Siddhidatri by chanting mantra on the ninth day of Navratri Puja can spiritually move you to the divine abode of Mother Goddess and receive her eternal blessings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comments below.